Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to block WhatsApp contact. So for here you can just open the WhatsApp app firstly, and here you can just open the random chat of anyone. So I will just open the random chat and I will just make it block them. So I will just click to the top right corner of three dots, and here you can see the third number is the block option. So I will just click to this block option, and here you can give them reason why are you blocking. So there are 4 reasons, 5 reasons: no longer read it, didn't sign up, options, messages, spam, and other. So I will just click to other, and you will just write the reason optional also. So I will just click to block them. So you will see this contact will blocked. So you can also click to unblock from here. Just easy and simple. Block and unblock contact on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.